In this tutorial, you will learn how to manage databases in MySQL. You will learn how to create new databases, remove the existing databases, and display all databases in MySQL. Before doing anything else with the data, you need to create a database first. So basically, a database is a container of data. Let's examine the create database statement in greater detail. To create a database in MySQL, you use the create database statement as follows. That is, create database if not exists and your database name. Followed by the create database statement is the database name that you want to create. It is recommended that the database name should be as meaningful and descriptive as possible. The if not exists is an optional clause of the statement. The if not exist clause prevents you from an error of creating a new database that already exists in the database. You cannot have two databases with the same name in a MySQL database. Displaying of databases. The show database statement lists all databases in the MySQL database. You can use the show database statement to check the database that you have created or to see all the databases on the database before you create a new database. As clearly seen in the output, we have three databases in the MySQL database. The information schema and MySQL are the default databases that are available when we install MySQL. So very obvious, this database, that is classic models, has been created by the user. Selecting a database to work with. So before working with a particular database, you must tell MySQL which database you want to work with by using the use statement. The syntax is use space followed by a database name. Finally, coming to the last part, that is removing databases. Removing database means deleting all the tables contained in the database and the database itself permanently. Therefore, it is very important to execute this query with extra caution. To delete a database, you use the drop database statement as follows. That is, drop database if exists followed by a database name. The if exists is an optional part of the statement to prevent you from removing a database that does not exist in a database.